All right, YouTube, we're back. So I know you see by the thumbnail title that focus on trying to get my shop. This is gonna be a 25'x26, and it recently just rained, so I got water out there. And the guy said concrete is gonna pull it to the top, so I don't have to worry about that. And I'm gonna let y'all check it out, man. It's gonna be a decent size shop, or shed, or garage, or whatever you call it. This front part is going to be the ramp to drive up on. It's like 4 foot out. I wanted that to go ahead and get done also with it, so I won't have to worry about that. And later on in the future, I'll probably get all of this kind of knocked back a little bit and get some rocks or gravel right here, so I can pull a car in right here to the side. And because my property line stops right there where that cup is at, right there at the back, so I got all of this and all of this right here. So yep, like I say, this is going to be the front 2 bay doors. It's going to be right here, and I wanted to angle it this way for the fact of when the sun set, it shines a lot of light this way towards from the road, and once it's set, I won't have to worry about, getting blinded with, sunlight shooting into the shop or anything like that. And it'll be facing this way. So yeah, I think it's a good spot from me pulling in the driveway and coming in to right here. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all take a wider view of it. And yeah. So that's gonna look pretty good right there. And I may add on to this side in the future also, to just have like either a chill spot right here, like with the flat brick, and have like chairs or something out here. But yeah, cause I got a fire pit right here. That's a fire pit I made right there. So, and then have something right here also. So yeah. So I'll turn you back on whenever the trucks get out here. All right, YouTube, so he finished it up. He did this part right here in the front, the little ramp, with a broom to try to have it kind of rough, so whenever a car go up, it can have some kind of traction to it. So it came out good. This side is really smooth right here, also that side over there. And yeah, try to take a look at it. It's gonna dry up pretty good. Oh yeah, look real nice. Yeah, so this is gonna be part 1 of the shop build. Let y'all just check it out, and I appreciate all my followers and subscribers. So yeah, all right, so we're gonna be out. So y'all like, share, subscribe, and we out. Peace.